Hello everyone! Today I'm excited to share my thoughts on the EUGY Squirrel 3D model kit that I recently purchased from Amazon. I've had it for a few months now and wanted to take a moment to provide a detailed review. Now, I love squirrels, which is why I ordered this after watching my son build a corgi one some time ago. He has since collected a couple more from the range, so when I ordered my other son a panda one, as he's obsessed with pandas, I ordered myself one as well. Now, the box that it came in is sturdy and eco-friendly and contains everything that you need to build the model. So inside there are several sheets of thick cardstock which contain the parts, which you simply push out, which is easy to do, and there are a couple of spares of some of them. They also supply plenty of glue so you don't run out. And the instructions are included on the back of the box. The recommended age for this is 6+, but I think a 6-year-old would need a lot of adult help with this, as this one is quite fiddly. As you can see, there are quite a few small parts. You can especially see them on there. Now, I'm a bit of a perfectionist though, so if you don't mind if the pieces were lined up a bit wonky, they could probably manage it with a bit of guidance. Some of the other animals have less small parts, so they may be better if your child wants to do all of it themselves. Now, this would be a lovely activity for a parent or a grandparent and a child to do together, which is what I did with my younger son and his panda that he had. Now, fixing the eyes in place was a bit tricky, because you needed to make sure that they stayed in place while you stepped the other sections on top of them to hold them in. So an adult will probably need to do that bit. So I built one side at a time to make sure that it was dry and wouldn't slip about before I built the opposite side, which I think was definitely a good idea. I think the kit could be made better if the instructions that are on the back here were actually on a bigger sheet of paper inside, because the ones on the back are a bit small and difficult to understand, although most of it is just following the number sequence for both left and right sides. So it's L1, L2, L3, L4, etc. And obviously R1, R2, etc. for the right side. Now, I found it really relaxing and satisfying to build, and once it was dry I was really pleased with the result. It feels quite strong now it's completed, and I think it would be able to withstand a child actually playing with it. So I'll definitely purchase another one of these, as they are really fun and simple to build, and they look really cute when they're finished. I think they would be a really good present for a child's birthday party, or for anyone that likes the specific animals that they're made into. All in all, a very good purchase. Thank you for watching.